value. Tapos unang-unang biktima, of course, Senator Chis Escudero, na yung contracting company na supposedly kaibigan niya, Centerways Construction and Development, parang pinalalabas nila that there's some kind of alliance, some kind of innuendo about some kind of wrongdoing. Kung papansinin nyo, heavy on the innuendo, heavy on the may relasyon, pero no documents, no indication of actual corruption, no ties, no paper trail, no nothing. Kinuha nila yung pangalan dun sa nilabas na only 20% at inirelate right away dun sa isang senador na napakalakas ng argumento doon sa pagdidismiss ng impeachment complaint laban kay VP Inday Sara. Tingin ko hindi ito coincidence. Tingin ko hindi coincidence na 20% lang ang pinag-uusapan dito. Again, kung papansinin nyo the communications, parang ito lang ang nilabas nila na names, and then all out, and the very first controversial person to be pointed out is somebody heavily involved in the dismissal sa impeachment ni VP Inday. Hindi ba nakakapagtaka? Sincere ba itong pag-iimbestiga sa flood control? O naghahanap lang sila ng panibagong villains para meron naman pagbintangan at hindi sila masyadong matuunan ng pansin? This has been the style of the Marcos administration since 2023. Tingin ko hindi sila nagbabago.
Opo, at